The universe appears vast and tangible. Yet beneath the surface, the laws of physics resemble nothing more than complex, repeating mathematical code. We explore the chilling hypothesis that our perceived reality is actually a sophisticated computer simulation run by a more advanced civilization. Renowned figures like Nick Bostrom have proposed a logical framework suggesting that if a civilization reaches the power to simulate consciousness, they would likely create billions of such simulations. Statistically, this makes it far more probable that we are living in one of these artificial constructs rather than the single original reality. Quantum mechanics offers the most compelling evidence for this theory, specifically the concept of the Planck length, which acts like a physical limit on the resolution of space-time. Much like a digital screen made of pixels, our universe seems to have a minimum bit size that prevents infinite zooming. Consider the observer effect in quantum physics, where particles behave differently simply because they are being watched. This efficiency mimics the rendering techniques found in video game engines, where the computer only calculates details that are currently within the player's field of view. Could our fundamental constants be nothing more than adjustable settings in a cosmic software package? Subtle fine-tuning of gravity or electromagnetism suggests a design process that prioritizes stability over random chance, mirroring the calibration of a simulated sandbox. The idea of glitches in the matrix has moved from science fiction to a subject of serious inquiry, with people reporting moments where reality seems to stutter or repeat. Whether these are mere psychological phenomena or literal bugs in the system remains one of the most debated mysteries of the digital age. If we are indeed living in code, then death might not be the end, but merely a session termination or a transition to a different layer of existence. This perspective bridges the ancient concepts of reincarnation with modern computational theories of information persistence. Critics argue that simulation theory is unfalsifiable and borders on religious faith, lacking the empirical evidence required for traditional science. However, the quest to find a break in the simulation continues as we push our particle accelerators to their absolute limits. Looking ahead, the development of artificial general intelligence and virtual reality technology is bringing us closer to becoming the simulators ourselves. This creates a recursive loop, forcing us to question if our future creators were once just like us, trapped in their own cycle of creation. Whether we are biological entities or strings of data, the human experience remains undeniably real in its own context. The simulation theory challenges us to reconsider our place in the cosmos, not as masters of the universe, but as active participants in an infinitely complex digital evolution.